Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Hi mga kalulu! So kasama ko yung pinsan ko, si Jayon. So, mag-clean kami dito kasi medyo magulo. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. It's kagulo at meron pa dito guys. Meron pa dito at meron pa dito. Sobrang gulo talaga guys. Look. Okay. I-time-lapse na lang namin. Paano kami maglinis si Jayon. So, malinis na yung playroom. Yan, malinis na. Marami. Guys, tapos meron itlog dito. May laptop doon. Mayroon cashier. May cashier pa dito. Tapos yung mga gulay at prutas. Guys, kaya ganun yung boses ko kasi may ubo. Kayo ba guys? May ubo ba kayo? Ayan guys. Tapos, collections. Ayan. Collections. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Hindi pa rin nalagdagan. Maraming books, guys. Ayan. Okay, guys. Ayun lang, guys, na. Nag-clean lang tayo na.
Yes.
Ang book mo, dali. Color ka. Pili ka. Okay, so nakuha niyo, guys, si Sophia, the first na coloring book, guys. Ayan. Coloring book na. Color mo.
At orange.
Orange. Yun, nagko-color. Ang galing mo pala mag-color. Okay, so ito pala ito. Key to. Secret key. And meron pa siya ditong case na pera. Pero play money, guys. At itong pinakamaganda, guys. Look. Hey, ang ganda ng flower. Okay, guys, so your rabbit. Yan. Yung colorin nyo na guys. Masaya ba mag-color?
Oo.
Oh, yan guys, kinakoloran niya. So, ayun lang guys. Bye mga kalulu. So, enjoy pa rin siya sa kaka-color niya guys. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching.